The mandalas have its origin in India. The word mandala means circle of time or circle of life. They represent little universes, and most of the times they are formed by groups of geometric shapes. The mandalas are created from a central dot which gets bigger because of the decorations and patterns that encircle it. They are used to meditate, to practice relaxation, and to introspect. To paint mandalas helps us recognize our emotions and feel calmed. To finish our trip through India, we will draw and paint a mandala. The materials that we need are a basic paper, pencil, rubber, a black pen, and colored pencils or felt tip pens. Get your paper, pencil, and rubber ready and follow the next steps. Start drawing a central point. Then, draw decorations around this point. As much ornaments you add, as much your mandala will grow. You will obtain a big and beautiful mandala. To finish, you can leave it opened or you can close it. If you want, you can retrace the mandala with a black pen in order to highlight the line. Once drawn, we will paint it with colored pencils or felt tip pens. With this mandala project, we finish our trip through India. Hopefully, these activities have helped you to know this country a little bit more. Wish you enjoyed them.